Welcome to episode 83 of the 100 Day Upload series, where I'm uploading every single day for the first 100 days of 2026. Today's video is about what would happen if the internet disappeared for a month. What would I do? What would I genuinely do if the internet disappeared for a month? Well, the first thing, honestly, before I get into this video, please make sure to click the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell notification, and comment down below your favourite type of brick. Mine's Cheshire. Right, so what would I do? The first thing I would genuinely do is have a party. I would just go... Alright, so I would just generally straight away just have a party, because to be honest with you, I hate the internet. And that's strange because I'm someone who makes videos. But just imagine if the internet went, right? Imagine all this addiction people have to the internet. Now we do, right? No one can deny it. The addiction to internet is horrible. Now everything has the internet. We even have smart fridges, right? Everything literally has the internet. So when I say there's an addiction to the internet, I mean there's an addiction to internet. If you play games, okay, sure, a lot of them are offline, but again, a lot of them are online games. And no internet? Are you telling me no internet whatsoever, right? It's not no technology, but it's no internet. What honestly? I would just go out. I would just go and live a life. It's amazing. Imagine just not having to worry about every notification on your phone. Imagine not having to worry about social media. Imagine just the TikTok, Reels, YouTube Shorts. Imagine all just gone. Just gone. It's 1 month. I honestly would love it. I would just get rid of it straight away. I hate the internet. I do. I need the internet. You know, these days it's a need. It's not a want, it's a need. You know, to be able to make money, support myself, promote myself, everything like that, right? It's a need at this point. But just without the internet, I'd just be so happy. I'd be so happy. Now, I have gone periods where I have purposely not used the internet. I have gone periods where I've just put my phone away for a week because technology and the internet, okay, I'm good on the internet, I'm alright. But it's such a serious addiction that I just, you know, even just going bowling would just be fun. I love bowling, but I just have, I guess, no fear. Just imagine this, right? There's no fear of anyone pulling out a phone to record you doing something stupid. And mental, right? The thought that we could get rid of the internet even for a month would save children's brains. AI, just abolish AI in that month, right? Because it uses the internet. There's a lot of people who use AI as a second-hand brain, and just the thought of that gone is amazing. So yeah, I'd probably just go travelling, go camping, and just get lost. Honestly, I would just want to get lost. There's so much of the world I want to see, and a lot of it unfortunately relies on internet. It does. Just imagine just not having to worry though, and if you get lost and you die, so what? It's crazy. Like I couldn't get lost in the UK. That's something. I know the UK far too well, right? You know, unless I'm in the middle of Scotland, I've never suddenly been there, I've just been plopped there, but like, realistically, I won't get lost here. Just not having to worry, and just, oh, I don't know what's down this street. I don't know what's down this street. Oh, look at that mountain. I'm just going to climb a mountain. That's what I'd do. I'd just go and see the world. Now, one thing I may do, not necessarily would be record a video. Now, I wouldn't record everything, and I'd make it some sort of like found footage sort of style. I would like to record a video of what it was like without internet, and then when the internet comes back, because unfortunately it is a need, especially with, you know, I like being in the media industry, unfortunately, it's something I enjoy, and I use the internet for family history research and stuff. So when the internet came back, I'd have this banger of a video coming out. That's what I'd do. Yeah, what would you do if the internet wasn't there for a month? Let me know in the comments below, because I'd really like to know. There's not really much more to say about it. It's just, yeah, the internet going would be an amazing thing. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I really do hope you have enjoyed it. Please make sure to click the like button, subscribe if you're new, hit the bell notification, comment down below your favourite type of brick. Sounds strange, but we will have a type of brick. I hate the red brick. You know, like those new build red bricks? I hate them. Adios, my Mr. Amigos, and goodbye.